Good morning, everybody. We are at Central Market here in Phnom Penh, and it's about 20 to 9 in the morning. We've come early. They open at about 7 o'clock. Noreen is in the market for some shopping, so we thought we'd come here and check the place out. We have been here before 5 years ago. We'd like to see it again and explore a little bit more, see what they have to offer here. So we're in the middle part, and mostly this area is like jewelry, watches and stuff like that. So let's take a walk through. Join me today, guys. I'll guide you through Central Market here in Phnom Penh. So I've got my coffee, which I bought before we got here, and we're just taking a walk through. You guys can see there's some watches over here. Leaving the middle area, let's walk somewhere where there's open shops. I can see a dragon, the lucky toad, some Buddhas. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Nice. Good luck. Have a nice day. Some lovely people, as all Cambodian people are. They have some salons here also. Actually, guys, I think I need to cut my hair. Let me cut my hair. Okay, guys, so this is my barber over here. Just getting ready to get my hair cut. Normally I get like a 0.5 or a number 1. They're charging me $5 to do it. So goatee and the hair. Sit you guys there down with me while I have my hair cut. This is the best way to kill like 20 minutes since Noreen is busy shopping, guys. So let me get my hair done. I ain't buying shit. This one, okay. You guys know I like it short. It's just easier to manage, and Southeast Asia is just too hot, guys. Interesting to note, why don't you guys drop a comment? Tell me what you pay for a haircut back where you're from. $5 gets the job done here. They're also gonna trim my goatee. If I remember correctly, I think in South Africa I used to pay $6 or $7 for a haircut and a shave. Still shaping my hair at the moment. And then last stop, the goatee. And we head out and go and check out the rest of the market. Normally I cut my hair like every 2 weeks. Someone is video calling me from somewhere in the market right now. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at a bag.
Uh-huh. How much is it?
He stood it out at 100, but then he said 50.
Oh my god, that's still too expensive, Noreen.
I know. So what should I say? Because I'm a bit shy to propose.
Work your magic. I know you paid 30 for the other one you have now. Quality, the trimmings, all the rest of it. If that is good, then maybe 30 at most.
Here's the man. The man is very eager to sell.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, he's helping me to make my screen a bit clearer.
I'm gonna wish you good luck, and you know what to do, right?
Yeah.
Right, guys, you would think by now she knows how to negotiate. I guess it's in my blood. I'm not sure if I ever shared with you guys, but I'm actually 5th generation Indian, born in Zimbabwe. My family came from India, from the state of Gujarat. In the 1800s, they came by ship, and looking for better prospects. Negotiation, business is very much in my blood. Hopefully, it's rubbing off on my wife today. I must say, guys, the gentleman is very attentive. He's taking his time. I don't mind. I hate barbers that rush, throw you out of their store just to churn the numbers. Not happening here. 55 minutes in, and I'm getting an ear shave. Taking a little longer than anticipated. My wife is getting ants in her pants, but I'll link up with her shortly. Perfection takes time. You guys gotta see this. Well, guys, that was super attentive. For $5, definitely worth it. Dope service, guys. Wow. You guys ever come to Central Market and you see this man? You need a haircut? Pull in. Might take you a bit of time, but it's worth it. Okay, guys, let me show you what Cambodian money looks like. Probably a good time. So this is the 50,000 note, $12.50. Remember, we divide by 4,000. And then this is the 10,000 note, which is $2.50. So I'm gonna get out 2 of those and hand it to the man. They also have 100 reals, worth pretty much nothing. Can't buy anything for 100 reals. That's the 500. And then that's the 1,000, which is pretty much 25 cents. Okay. Thank you. Alright guys, so let's head on. Let's catch up with Noreen, see what she's up to. Just grabbing my bag. Give me a second. Clean you guys up a little. Okay, Okun, thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Let's keep walking through, guys. Let me show you this section right here. So they have what looks like textiles, duvet covers. On this side there's a lady getting her hair washed. A nail salon, and this is like around the perimeter. And if I go left here, they have a wet market. So this is the wet market where you can get a bunch of different fruits and vegetables. All the lovely people selling their produce. I can see sweet potato, limes, garlic, bunch of different fish. So this is where the wet market is. It's deeper. You can go in. Hello. So this is the wet market. Lots of meat. I can see some eggplant over there. Fish being sold. Lots of different meats. They also have some seafood here. Some shrimp, some clams, some fish, all the rest of it. And this section over here actually, next to the wet market, is where they sell like juice, fruit. Away from the wet market is where they sell food. So if you guys are hungry and you need a snack, you can come and check out this section here. Looks like they're selling obviously Cambodian food. Some soup, some rice. Looks delicious, I'm sure it is, but I'm not actually hungry. If you guys are hungry and you do come to Central Market, hello, what do you have? Okay. Okay, and it's $2.50? Thank you. Hello. Khmer noodles? Okay, and how much is it? Thank you. Hello, thank you. Pretty busy now, much busier than when we came in at 8:45. Saturday morning, quite a lively market. Let me catch up with Noreen. She's probably worried about me because it doesn't normally take an hour to do my haircut, but as you guys can see, I look spick and span. I hope. Maybe I'm blowing my own trumpet and I look like shit. Then here we have some cigarettes being sold. Looks like some Chinese brands. Now I'm on the outer perimeter. Let's head inside and make the phone call. Hello, where are you?
Just walk out of the central area.
Can we meet by the clock? Okay, I finally found my impatient wife. And we're heading to what she wants me to help her negotiate, I'm sure. And in this outside section here, guys, we have clothing. I can see men's clothing, ladies' clothing, shoes, caps. Don't forget, when you come here, you need to negotiate. Oh, here's a bag just like mine. This one. How much for this one? $18 for that one. I'm not too keen to buy anything today. Not in the market for anything, but I know someone else is. So this section here is where they have a bunch of different shoes, formal shoes, trainers, slippers, you name it. How much are the shirts?
Which one?
Your Cambodia shirt?
Cambodia $5.
$5. Okay. And like these ones are how much? How much are your shirts? $7. Okay. And jogger pants? $9. Is that your best price?
8.
And polo shirt?
8.
Oh guys, very hot. Bear that in mind when you come. There's no AC here. So you will be at the odds of the elements. So come in the morning, come early like us. It's still gonna be hot, but at least not blazing hot afternoon sun. Check out these Louis Vuittons. How much are your shoes? Always pull out the calculator. Oh, $35. Okay. And this one, how much?
Yeah.
$25. What a ripoff. There's also a Russian market, by the way, guys, if you're interested, in the area called TTP. Go out there and check it out if you need to do some shopping and you have time. Maybe you can get better pricing. The wife is happy. And now we can move on to our next article of the day. Right, guys, so just walking through, I can see they still have Khmer New Year decorations a month later. Someone's been lazy. Clear the shit out. Selling coconuts over here.
Okay, $1 4,000. Yeah, no sweet, no money.
So $1 for coconut juice from this lovely lady. Please support her.
You buy 2?
Yes, 2 please.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks, time.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Good luck. Wow, guys, if you are also hungry, they're selling a bunch of very delicious items. It looks very juicy. Add a little bit of spice on it. Very fresh, fragrant. If you guys are interested in sampling some of those insects, try it out. I actually tried it out when I was in Bangkok. I ate a silkworm. Ugh, I was under pressure. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Riding with the Ranas. And if you're ever in Phnom Penh, definitely check out Central Market. Don't forget to negotiate. Cheers everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.